Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a very cool notebook with your own image on its cover in Kilonotes. Just open the app, click on create a notebook, and here if you click on cover then you can browse several cover types, but if you keep scrolling then you can find custom. So click on it and choose your image. You can adjust it a little bit and then choose use. And here it is. Then you can change the inside pages as well and confirm creation. Now if you go back here, you can see that I have my untitled notebook with a kitten on it. Thanks for watching.